If you have a home farm, you probably need a chaff cutter and a grinder. Today I will introduce to you one machine, which is able to cut grass and grind corn. Here is 690 chaff cutter and grinder machine. This machine is welded with 4.25 mm steel plate. We provide 8 screens with different size holes. They can satisfy all your feed requirements. Here is one hopper for grass or straw, like corn straw, branches. This hopper is for grinding corn or corn cob. The motor is 220 voltage and 4.5 kilowatt. Here is a voltage display. The surface is stove varnish. Now, let us test it. Turn on the machine. Look at the cutted corn straw. You can feed cow and sheep with cutted corn straw directly. You can also press cutted corn straw into pellets, and then feed cow and sheep. Then let us grind the corn now. Turn on the machine. Look at corn powder. It can be pressed into pellets for cow and sheep. If you need smaller particle size, you can use smaller size screen. With this machine, you can cut corn straw, grass, branch. You can also grind corn and corn cob. You do not need to buy 2 machines anymore. If you are interested with this machine, please contact us.